BitMEX app. The pros, the cons. The BitMEX app is a crypto derivatives platform known for leverage trading and futures contracts. You won't believe the high leverage available, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's safe for beginners. Trading on BitMEX can be extremely risky. Pros include advanced derivatives trading, up to X leverage on Bitcoin contracts, and robust security protocols like multi-signature wallets and two-factor authentication. The app is designed for professional traders who want access to complex instruments and real-time market data. The cons are significant for inexperienced users. High leverage increases the risk of rapid losses. The app does not support fiat deposits directly, and custodial storage means you don't control private keys. Regulatory restrictions may limit access depending on your country. In conclusion, the BitMEX app is suitable only for experienced crypto traders looking for leveraged derivatives. It offers advanced trading tools and security, but carries high financial risk and is not recommended for beginners.